Yes, previous class we had been learned that scope of sociology as well as nature of sociology is over. Then I would like to ask questions regarding previous class. Anila Joseph, Anila. Anaga, Ajay, Anaka. Anjana Krishna, Anjana Krishna. Silpa, can you talk with me, Silpa?
Yes, sir.
Can you talk about difference between synthetic school of thought and formalistic school of thinking? Difference between synthetic and formalistic schools. Silpa. Respond to me. Any one of them should be respond to me. Then only I can start the class. Everyone should be connect with class. Should be interact
Sir.
with me. Yes. It's a general question. Difference between
Synthetic
synthetic.
thought,
Yes.
school of thought is another important skill.
Yes.
It
Next.
consists of social morphology, social physiology, general
Yes, it's
sociology.
enough. It's enough. A good answer
Synthetic
by.
and general sociology contain historical sociology.
Okay. It's enough. The difference is that synthetic school thought about synthesis of other social sciences with sociology. Formalistic school thinkers, they don't think about other discipline, only think about formally society and study about it. So that we had learned previous class. Then today we have to start with field of sociology. Field means the application. or specialization, already we have discussed the study of sociology can be everywhere. The first field, sociological theory. Concepts, principles, and generalization. Theory means set of knowledge or concepts. Second field, historical sociology. Study past social institutions regarding older families, older communities. Then study about origin of present one, which means comparative study. Olden families, modern families. What are the differences? And solve the social issues. Third one, sociology of family. Study origin, growth, functions, kinds, nature of family. For human ecology and demography, study about the relation between man and environment. Geographical factors concerned to human development. Fifth one, sociology of community. There are two parts, urban sociology, rural sociology. It is a specialization in sociological studies. Sixth one, special sociology. Different aspects of social relationships. First aspect is that educational sociology. Study about people relation between student, teachers, how to interact, what are the students' problems, learning issues, and apply knowledge of sociology to solve educational problems. Second, medical sociology, medicine and society. Study relation between diseases and their causes. Then utilize the knowledge of sociology to diagnosis the diseases, treatment, rehabilitation, and prevention and promotion of diseases. Prevention of diseases and promotion of health. So this, which is nothing but the study relationship between the society and diseases. And fundamental cause of the society is social factors. So every social factors uses a medicine for diagnosis, prevention of diseases, promotion of health, and treatment, etc. So that's why we have used the modern medicine, psychosocial medicine. Then political sociology, study human relationship in political system, promote coordination between political institutions, and ensure democracy in government. Then economic sociology, interaction between producers, buyers, and sellers, production management, marketing management, consumer behavior. So these are this specialization in economic sociology, study relationship between 3. Then cultural sociology study factors determining material culture and non-material culture, type of culture, types, then cultural influence on diseases. Six, industrial sociology study human relationship in industrial area. Industries, mainly labor and management, relation between among the labor relationship, labor problems, mainly human engineering use that to solution of human problems in industrial areas. As well as this industrial sociology should be concerning about the human need and human limitations, that is study about human engineering, producing a products only human or they are usable, accessible and user friendly products should be produced by industries. So that sociology, knowledge of sociology used there. Labor management, industrial management. Then social psychology. Psychology means study about individual mind, but social psychology study about group mind. Psychology of groups, perception of a group, learning, thinking, solution to social problems, etc. Eighth, on social psychiatry, study relation between mental health problems and society, which means mental illness and their relation with society. Here use social medicine, the every social factors used as a medicine to diagnosis, prevention of mental illness, promotion of mental health and treatment. Now, every social factors used as a medicine to mental illness, to prevent and treatment. Ninth one, sociology of sickness, deals with the relation between sickness and society and prevention, mainly social dysfunctions due to diseases, communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases cause sickness. Sociology of sex, it is a specialization, study relation between man and woman. So this study very important for our society to solve gender issues, to promote gender equality and dignity. 11th one, sociology of religion. In religion, human interaction, types of worship, kind of belief, so the sociology of religion helped to promote peace and development. Solidarity. 12th on social disorganization, deals with factors of disorganizations in the society. Relation between social disorganization and social problems. So students, this is a topic we will learn last unit detail about social, which cause social problems, how to solve it. Fatima, can you explain about industrial sociology? Can you see this slide? So,
deals with the relation between labors and management,
excellent.
labor problem, human engineering.
Excellent answer, Fatima. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then importance of sociology, which is general importance. First importance, to study scientific study of society. Science means fact. Now, what are the facts, reality in this society, which is essential for the development and formulation of development programs. Second, study rules of institutions, development of individuals. For example, familial institutions, educational institutions, economic institutions, and their norms, rules, which is essential for individual development. So, study of sociology is important. Third one, understand planning of society, which we will be discuss next section. Then it should be join second link. Can you join second link?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, third important, planning of society. Every types of social planning on the basis of social data or needs of the people. How to collect the data? By means of study of every components of society. For example, implement a immunization program. Before that should be study about what are the people need immunization or vaccination. And how many people, age group, families. So that study is essential for better planning. Fourth one, solution of social problems. Social problems means social issues, a issue which is affect the people. For example, healthcare problems. The study of sociology is help to solve the problems such as poverty, unemployment, then healthcare issues. Fifth one, to draw our attention to the intrinsic worth and dignity of man. Study of sociology help us understand about our dignity, our role in the society. For example, we are nurses. What's our role and prestige and dignity? Sixth one, change our outlook with regard to the problem of crime. The crime means violation of human rights or criminal code. Why a person do crime? Due to social factors. When we study of sociology, they help us to change the outlook regarding the crime and to prevent the crime in our society. So the study of sociology is very important. So this sociology is a study by IPS of Indian Police Service, that people who have been study first sociology, which help to better understanding about crime and prevent, overcome the crime. Seventh one, to enrich culture. Culture means pattern of behavior which is determined by material and non-material culture. When we study about the society and material and non-material cultural factors help to enriching our behavior. For example, any material may harmful to us, prevent it and use positive. Non-material example, belief. Negative belief should be eliminated, promote positive belief, which help to better behavior and enrich human culture. Eighth one, solution of international problem. International means global issues between the countries. For example, India and Pakistan. Global issue concern the climate change, global warming. So which is concerning every countries. The study of sociology is essential to prevent the international problems as well as solve the international problem. Then using as a teaching subject. The sociology help to teach is a subject to teach every discipline, not only nursing as well as medicine, engineering. The most important is that in teaching concern in civil services, mainly IAS, Indian Administrative Services, then Indian IFS, Indian Foreign Service, as well as international services. That people first study, that students first study the society. Then only this understand about what are their role, how to control the society, and how to implement the programs and plannings, etc. So you have been teach in every other discipline as well. 10th on sociology as a profession is important to professionalism. The sociologist as a name to study about the society and social problem and given guidance how to solve that problems. So these are the 10 importance. Students, this is general importance, not specific. Specific will be going on. Some more points are available here. 11th one, studies society is important to underdeveloped countries. Underdeveloped means, for example, poor countries. In African countries, example. The main reason is that various institutions are not functioning well in that underdeveloped, mainly religious institutions, as well as educational institutions. 12th one, update on modern situations. So keep what is exists now and solve the issues. Then explanation for each one available, just to overview that. Yes, students, next section, functions of sociology. The functions is very important for examinations. This question frequently asked in final exam. First, technical function. Second, introductory function. Third, informative. Fourth, tolerate. 5, democratic. 6, miscellaneous. Detail going on. Technical function. Observing existing problems, customs, traditions, institutions, and understand about it. Provide directions and solutions. So, which is a technical function? Study society, identify problem, solve it. Second, introductory functions. Supply information. To other disciplines regarding familial informations. Okay, information, technical information or technological informations. Information regarding economic status. This change to various parts of society, which means this sociology function to provide information regarding society. The social information is essential for all other disciplines, for example, nursing. Care plan based on social informations regarding family type and culture, economic status, etc. Third one, informative function. Information based on theoretical knowledge, solving social problem, provide guidance in practical reforms. Fourth one, tolerate functions. Students, we are nurses. So, when we study sociology clearly, we can experience to more toleration. Synonymous to accept, feeling of universal brotherhood. But in nursing concern, for example, when you see a patient, what do you think about patient? In a normal person, difficult to touch the patients or talk with the diseased person. But nurses, litimol,
Yes, sir.
so my question is that when you see the patient, what do you think about patient? For example, in a ward duty, one patient may be there. When you see the patient, what do you think about patients? My thought is that a normal person not like to interact with the diseased person, but nurses like to interact with diseased person. Reason why? Our thinking, nurses think differently. What do you think about the patients?
Care and cure.
As care and cure is our duty, functions. How that, the care and cure, how to care give to the patients? Students, when you see the patient, not only see only the patient's social background. Every patient having a family, a religion, a education, coming from different areas, different communities. So when you see the patient, not only the diseases, the patient's social background, which help to more toleration and love to give care and treatment. Clear about it? So sociology do it to promote better tolerance to every nurses and to accept every condition in mental health, nursing as well as physical illness, and provide better care and treatment. Excellent answer. 5. Democratic functions. Democratic means for the people, by the people, of the people. Understand society well planned manner. And people oriented. Promote democratic functions. So without understanding the society, difficult to promote these democratic principles. So study of this sociology function to do promote democratic functions. Then miscellaneous. Industrial social elements study. Nature of organizational behavior. So in the management studies is that individual behavior and organizational behavior. Organization means including hospitals. The study of sociology helped to improve the good behavior in the organizations. Then invention to formal and informal behavior of persons. Personal means labors. In hospital concern, doctors and nurses. We can classify which behavior is formal and which is informal. So functions of sociology very most important. You need to study and memorize, easy to answer. 6 points are available. You can score full mark, 5 mark. Next section, importance of sociology in nursing, which is specific. Previously we had been learned importance of sociology, which is general functions, general importance, okay? So this is specific importance. In the examination, this is only maximum. Importance of sociology in nursing. Why important? Care, cure, prevention, promotion and rehabilitation. Here I have 20 points to maintain healthier lifestyle, for important to healthcare team members. Sociology is very important to healthcare team members. Then to provide total patient care, important to understand, to meet the needs of individuals and families. 5, understand human behavior. 6, important to understand the cause of behavior, types of behavior. 7, understand problems of client. 8, suggest the ways. Ways means directions given. 9, right motivation, treatment. 10, understand emotional reaction. 11, continuous contact with the client. 12, greater insight regarding patients. That's we have discussed, When we see patients, not only see the patient and diseases, their social background, their families, their children, their father, and their work, job, their religion. That thinking help to more insight regarding the patients and their problems. 13, observation and communication. 14, first level of care, which is primary health care. 15, health needs, broader social change. 16, important to nursing education, then which is essential for nursing management. The nursing plan, the nurse as a planner, researcher. 20, nurse is a social scientist. The sociology is very, very important for nursing. Detail will be learned next class. So 20 points having, this is most important final examinations. Just to keep it your mind that what are the importance of sociology in nursing. So today 45 students participate in our class. Lena Philip.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you list what are the functions of sociology?
Yes,
Functions.
technical function,
Excellent. Yes.
introductory function,
Yes.
informative function, tolerate function.
Yes. Nice answer by Lena Philip. Thank you, Lena. Okay, students. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the day. Thank you, all. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rosemaria.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Silpa.
Thank you.
Yes, Ajusha.